And so we gather today, ladies and gentlemen, for the 5th Annual Autism Workshop and Consultation, proudly organized by GTCO.
In having or caring for a child with autism, there are practical things that you need to do in everyday life, but we put them at the extreme odds of what we do and stigmatize them all the time.
Today is more than just a conference. It is a call to action. It is a true reminder that inclusion is measured not just by our words, but of course by our full acceptance and implementation.
One of the defining features of this workshop is the caliber of experts it brings together. This year we are privileged to host an exceptional team of renowned specialists, and they will share their practical experience, personal and professional insights to help families, educators, healthcare professionals and caregivers to better support individuals on the spectrum.
This year's theme, Acceptance in Action, reminds us that awareness is only the beginning of a real change, and that changes can only start when acceptance is reflected in our actions.
This workshop has served as a vital platform for knowledge sharing, professional capacity building, public education, and hope for countless families affected by autism spectrum disorder. And so, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, on this note, may I take the opportunity to officially, duly declare this workshop and learning consultation duly launched.
If your cortisol is high, it means your stress levels are going to be high. You have palpitations, you'll be active and aggressive. So we find out that these individuals spend less time sleeping, they have worse sleep efficiency, and they have increased motor activity during sleep.
Show that child through action that even though their brain is wired differently, they are more than enough.
There's a lot of confusion. Why? Because a lot of people don't fully understand what autism truly means. And how do we support people with autism? So we're confused.
Everyone can relate to a child suffering, but people always forget about the person behind the child.
One thing you need to understand is that at this point, we have people who are not trained special educator in the classroom, but need to care for children who have special needs. So what you are going to do is basically understand the interest of the child.
Sometimes fathers are a bit more emotional than we think, and it's sometimes even difficult for them to come to that acceptance than we, the women, are.
It's important that educators should understand that they're not just teaching, they're also talent scouts for these individuals.
And so, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to our official close of our 5th Autism Workshop and Consultations. Autism, acceptance in action. Autism, acceptance in action. A round of applause. Thank you very much.